Israel detains 12 Palestinians from occupied West Bank. Iran warns of third step to cut nuclear deal commitments. Members of British tanker crew freed, Iranian spokesman. Yemen rebels say targeted Saudi base. Gulf rivals seek foothold in Sudan, analyst. 27 million people in Africa face acute food shortage, report. Pakistan march in Karachi for solidarity with Kashmir. Azad Kashmir leader slams global silence on Kashmir. Pakistan and India hold talks on Sikh corridor. India urged to allow fact-finding mission in Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar mayor under house arrest. Russia and India vows to take bilateral ties to new level.